Wow. Ang hangin. Good morning, Maring. Second day namin dito sa hotel. Gumising ako ng maaga. Alas 7 na, Maring, kasi magtitingin sana ako ng sunrise. Kaso umulan. Ayan, ang paligid. Maulan siya at mahangin. Kagabi, grabe ang hangin at ulan. Kagabi, hindi kami nakapag night swimming. Magna-night swimming sana kami. Kaso, malakas ang hangin at malakas ang ulan. Wow, may mga birds. Ito na ang paligid ngayon. May mga tao doon na nagtitingin ng sunrise. Pero, ayan o, nagtatago ang sun. Walang sunrise, mga Maring. Maulan. I hope na mag-sunny na ngayon. Para naman makaswimming kami. Ang ginaw, ang lakas ng hangin, Maring. Ang lakas talaga. Paano kaya ma-spot ang RIP type? Yes, siguro ay RIP type. Hindi clear yung ano dito, dagat. Daming mga birds, Maring. Tingnan nyo yung baba. Ang ganda. Tapos meron ding indoor pool. Diyan yung indoor pool. Ano kayang oras mag-open ang pool para mag-swimming? Naglilinis sila ng pool kasi yung doon maraming mga sand yung pool. Ang ganda dito, mga Maring. So bukas, mga Maring, ay uuwi na kami. Uuwi na kami 11 AM kasi 11 AM yung check out dito. Ang gamit ko ngayon, Maring, ay yung bago kong camera na binili ng asawa ko, yung DJI Action 5. So ito siya. Hindi ko pa nagawa yung mga iba't ibang settings. Hindi ko pa alam ang i-setting ko. Basta ito siya. Ito siya, mga Maring. Hindi ako nagamit ng microphone. Maganda siya kasi madali ko siyang mamaneuver kung saan ko siya itututok. Kasi yung DJI Osmo Pocket Tray, yung ulo niya, kung ilalagay, gusto kong mapunta yung lens sa baba, pumupunta sa taas yung lens. Gumagalaw yung ulo ng ng camera. So minsan puro langit yung nakukuha ko na video. Ay tubig dyan. Hindi nag-drain ang tubig. Ano punta? Girl. Igisingin ko na sila sir, at yung isa ko pang anak kasi magbe-breakfast kami. At nahirapan kami matulog. Ako at yung anak ko. Nahirapan siya matulog. Kahit ako hindi ako makatulog, Maring. Gising ng gising ako. Kasi yung blanket na ginagamit ko pag matutulog ay naiwan sa bahay. Nakalimutan kong sabihin sa asawa ko kagabi nung umuwi siya na dalhin dito. Dahil hindi ako makakatulog kapag wala yun. Meron kasi akong wool blanket. hindi ako makatulog kapag wala yun sa paa ko. Nilalagay ko siya sa paa ko. Ay, nahirapan ako matulog, Maring. Nakatulog ako mga alas 2 na. Tapos gumising ako alas 4. Tapos gumising ako alas 6. So, nahirapan talaga ako. Ito naman si Riley, nahirapan din. Why is hard for you to sleep big?
It's like it's sweaty. And
Why, it's so hot?
Because they put 2 blankets.
Oh. Okay, go wash your face, babe. Wow, ang ganda ng birds. Oh. Still the sunrise is hiding. Ganda sa beach. May mga nagbabike sa beach.
Walking is like life on donuts, life without donuts.
Pag-landing.
Just life with bacon, life with no bacon.
Press? Did you press it?
Yeah.
Okay. Go! Dito yung vending. Yan. Oh, you can order drinks there. Probably expensive.
Oh my god, my head hurts so much.
Oh, he's here. Come here. Lily. Get in. What's that beeping? 2.
You'll be back.
Yeah, I know where 2 is. You calm down.
Kakain na tayo ng breakfast. Close. It's raining. Pupunta sana kami sa beach, Maring. Umuulan. Oh, ito yung last day namin pero whole day ay uulan.
This is the last day?
Yeah, tomorrow we will go home. Raining. Raining outside. There's a lot of scrambled egg. Let's give Lily a little bit.
That's fine. Lily, take your plate. You gotta move on.
Yeah.
Potatoes?
I want French toast.
Well, 1 or 2.
Just one. Get some. It's bacon.
Yeah, they have bacon.
You want the bacon?
No.
Lily, you take
Can I get this sausage too?
It's one sausage. That's enough. I don't want the bacon. Biscuits, gravy. Biscuits and gravy. No, I don't want that. What is this? Egg popovers. Hash brown. Maple syrup. Meron silang granola parfait. And yogurt. May cereal. At saka ito. Wow! Pastry. Kuha tayo nitong ano. Ano ba to? Apple. And what is this? Siguro ito. Milk and honey.
Watermelon.
I'll get some watermelon. Just a little bit. There you go. Maybe. Just one watermelon. I don't know. Nandito tayo sa pool area. Maring umuulan pa rin. Ang ganda ng pool area. Wow. So, ito yung whole hotel. Yan siya. Up to, hindi ko alam saan. Basta nasa 10th floor. Pupunta tayo sa dagat. Maring ang daming mga chairs. Ayan. So, dito tayo mamaya. Hopefully, ay mag-stop yung ulan para makaligo kami, Maring, dahil lulubos-lubosin na namin dahil nga tomorrow ay uuwi na kami. Ganda. May music dito sa labas. At ito naman siya ay dito kayo dito magma-wash pagkatapos maligo sa dagat. So, may tubig dyan, mga Maring. Dito tayo, ang ganda ng mga umbrella. Why don't we go swim now, babe? Wow, so nice.
This would be the best time to walk on the beach because after the rain, the sand's heavy, so it's not going to get all in your feet.
Yeah. Look at the clouds, so thick.
Yeah.
It's nice to swim now.
Oh, man, jump in.
Yeah, we go and change.
The little boat beside the
So nice. So ito yung whole hotel, Maring. Ayan siya. Beachfront hotel. So nice.
I can touch the book.
The umbrella flip
Daddy,
over.
I can't remember which one.
Well, this will be a good time
All the way at the
To-
top up there.
go swimming because it's not sunny.
It's
not hot.
Hmm?
It's a good time to go swim. It's not hot. I wish we can take a picture. Yeah, I need to change into your swimwear.
I want to change now.
You gonna swim?
Hmm?
You gonna swim? Ah, Daddy can swim. No, we might end up paying this, but let me see at the back.
Well, set it on one of those.
I told you, bring your slipper. Why are you wearing shoes? This cabana is for rent. For rent. Dito tayo sa likod kasi for rent pala ang side na ito. Dito tayo. It's raining. Yeah, at least there's
Umbrella.
Hey, don't go all the way there, okay? Just 4 feet. You're just going where you are. Riley, look down. I'll take a video of you. Girl, I see you. This is 3.5 feet. Oh. 3 feet lang. Dahil hindi tayo marunong gumagoy. So you stay on this side. So 3, 4, 5.
Mom, can I show you something?
What? Oh, umuulan, Maring.
Keep looking. Ready? Look.
Walang humpay ang ulan. At least walang kidlat. Sorry.
Off the fucking beach and then steps in the pool to wash off her feet instead of using the fucking thing over there.
What, you wash your feet in pool?
Yeah,
What in the world?
that's what I'm saying. Raggedy ass people.
Why would you do that? That's probably why there's a lot of sand at the bottom.
Yeah. Instead of rinsing the feet right there, they'll just dang, the fucking feels so good. It's like she's like the third or fourth that's done it.
Hi! Say hi, Lily.
Say hi, Lily.
A Lily girl. You're choking me, babe.